Hello?
Hello?
Who's that?
Is Robert there?
Yeah, I'll go put him on. Oh. Yeah. Rob? Come here.
What's wrong? Hello?
Hello, calculator here.
Hi, mate.
Me from Germany.
What?
Me from Germany.
Hi.
Would you like to talk to my donkey, Albert?
No. Or do I?
Yes?
Do I? Yeah, Dave.
Albert wants to come and eat your shoes.
Mate.
No,
Or
calculator. Love my name, calculator.
Cool.
I'm German.
Question, how'd you get my number?
You gave it to me.
What's that? How'd you get my number?
You gave it to me.
Did I?
No.
Okay.
I found it at school in your planner.
Okay.
5411.
Oh, yeah, I know. Okay. Well, this was fun.
No. This has been
Wait,
boring as hell.
What?
This has been boring as hell and this is going on YouTube.
Oh. Well, nice.
Now you're going to be a laughing stock. Goodbye.
Bye.